My preferred method to pick up stitches for the gusset is to pick up along the slip stitch edging, catching both legs of each stitch as I go. To do this, you'll insert your needle below the slip stitch into the center of what looks like an inverted knit stitch. Run your needle all the way through to the back and knit the stitch off. A slip stitch spans 2 rows of knitting, creating a larger, more stable loop. This makes it easier to pick up the right number of stitches, you need 1 stitch per 2 rows, and to identify exactly where to insert your needle. It also creates a less bulky edge than other techniques. If you pick up through only one loop, the front or the back, doesn't matter, the weight of the sock will pull on that single strand, which can cause it to elongate and create a visible gap. Inserting under both loops anchors the new stitch to the full thickness of the edge, making it less likely to stretch. The second method is to move one column in. Instead of using the slip stitch loops, insert your needle into the center of the stitches in the first column of the heel flap fabric. This technique requires a bit more patience because it's easier to split the yarn here, and it creates a slightly bulkier seam on the inside, but it completely hides any potential looseness at the very edge. The third method is to knit through the back loop on the round after you pick up your stitches. You won't work the entire round through the back loop, just the gusset stitches. This twists the stitch at its base, using up a small extra amount of yarn to tighten the stitch significantly and close any tiny gaps. Finally, it can be helpful to simply use a smaller needle. Dropping down 2 sizes works well. This allows you to pull the loops tighter as you create them, but remember to only use the smaller needle on the gusset stitches as you pick them up, not the instep or heel turn. On the following row, switch back to your main size needle.